Good morning to one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here for the online advertising lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, as a HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my SYBCom participants for the advertising online lecture. Today, we are going to discuss about the last question under the first module, Introduction to Advertising. The question is here. Write a meaning and features of IMC. The full form is that Integrated Marketing Communication. Then what are the elements comes under the market communication? If you want to make a people aware about the product and service, then what are the elements we are going to use in a combined form, in an integrated form? Then we are going to see today. Now look at the here, the meaning for the IMC, integrated marketing communication. It is a combination of all promotion methods. It is a promotion methods, it is a technique of the promotion, like advertising, salesmanship, sales promotion, publicity, sponsorship, public relationship, packaging, direct marketing, trade fair, and exhibition, etc. Now we are going to discuss about the what are the basic objective, what are the basic goal of the IMC. The primary role is to persuade, remind, inform, convince, and develop a brand image and educate the audience to buy the product and service. Then we can say ultimate goal is that you have to attract the attention of the customer, as well as you have to create awareness, persuade them, convince them, you have to inform, remind them, you have to create positive image about the brand and educate them to buy the product and service. The ultimate goal is you have to sell the product, you have to complete your target. That's a basic goal for the IMC, integrate marketing communication. Now there are the various elements, so we know very well about the advertising. It's a paid form of non-personal presentation, promotion of item, goods and service. Salesmanship, it is done on the individual basis. The salesperson, the sales executive can take your permission with proper appointment. He's going to visit your office or at your house, and he's going to give the demo about the product. The sale promotion, we have seen the lot of the technique: buy one get another free, 10% discount, 50% discount on a certain day, on a Wednesday, on a Sunday you are get the certain kind of the discount on a special occasion. That is comes under the sales promotion. Then publicity, we have seen the good publicity, the bad publicity. Sponsorship, we know very well about the lot of the events, lot of the programs, lot of the films, etc., which are sponsored by the various parties, the various companies. That comes under the sponsorship. We are going to maintain the public relationship, we are going to maintain the long term customer relationship for the promotion of the product as well as selling the product to the customer. Packaging, it is not only attract the attention of the customer, but side by side we are going to provide all the information about the product, attractive, and create a distinct image. That is comes under the packaging. Now we are going to see what are the features of the IMC. Before that, I would like to tell you about the what do mean by the communication. If you want to do the promotion, if you want to convey your message, if you want to make a public aware about the advertising product and service, then we have to make a communication. Then what is the exactly, who are the parties related with the communication? Now look at the here. Communication comes from the Latin word communis, which means common. We are going to make a communication, we are going to do the common things. When we communicate, we are trying to establish the common sense with the someone. If I am going to make communicate with the student, then what is my basic idea? That one, my basic idea is that try to establish a common sense, the understanding between the both party, the sender as well as the receiver. The communication at least require the four elements, and which are they? Now look at the here. The first one is the sender. Under the case of the advertising, the advertiser is called as the sender. The second one is the message. We have dropped the advertisement on television, we have seen the audio video impact. In print media, we have seen the poster, banner, the written message. Then we can see the YouTube advertisement, we have seen the social media advertisement. There are a lot of the forms we are available. That is called the commercial, non-commercial message. That is called as advertising message. There are the channels. Through the channels we are going to connect it with the people, we are going to communicate with the people. That is called as a media. And the last not the least, that is called the important party, that is the receiver party, that is called as the audience. Those who are the audience, if you are sitting in front of the television, you are called as a viewers. If you are listening the radio, you are called as a listener. If you are reading the newspaper, you are called as a readers. These are the parts of the audience. The basic goal is that integrating marketing communication, try to convert audience into prospect customer and prospect customer into the regular customer. Now look at the here. This is the channels of communication. This is the chart we are going to see under the communication in advertising. The first one is the advertiser, that is called as the who. Who is the advertiser? The manufacturer, the seller, the corona vaccination, the government is the advertiser. The Reliance company is the advertiser. Tata Nano, Tata is the advertiser. Say what kind of the message you are going to give the public, what kind of the message you want to convey to the public, that is called the advertising message. In what channel? We have seen that on a television, radio, newspaper, poster, banner, your WhatsApp group, social media, that is called the media. To whom? To whom, that is the indicate for the audience. Then we are going to see where is applicable for the ad campaign, that is called the to whom. Audience is called as the recipient or receiver for the advertising message, which are consists of the viewer, reader, listeners, whatever the forms are available, the audience, customers, the human beings are comes under the here. Now we are going to see the next part of this question. Now, what are the features? What are the characteristics, natures, objective, essential elements of the ad- integrating marketing communication? And with the help of the shortcut, we can understand, we can remember, we can memorize a certain point. P square, CAT cat A B C D. P twice, CAT cat A B C D. Now we are going to see one by one. Now look at the here. P means process. Second one is a continuous process. Integrate marketing communication is a systematic process as well as a continuous process. Now CAT cat, the creativity, it should be the essence for the integrate marketing communication. Whatever the elements you are going to see under the IMC, that is advertising, salesmanship, sales promotion, you should be some creative, innovative ideas, all pervasive. It is applicable to all the people, all the business and non-business organization. T for target market, it is an indicator you have to identify your target market or customer. One cannot sell everything to everyone. And we know very well about the under the society, basically there are the three income level, the lower level, middle level, and the upper income level. As per the income status, the likes and dislikes, the buying habit, the purchasing habit is a totally different. As per the income level of the customer, we are going to sell the product. Therefore, we are going to identify the target market. With the help of the market segmentation, we can divide the larger part market into the smaller part, and we are going to approach our target customer. Art, science, and profession. Then B for build image. Then create awareness, and the last one D for the diverse group. Now we are going to see, as per the advertising feature, the same features we are going to applicable under the integrated marketing communication, because the advertising is also one of the part of the integrated marketing communication. Now we are going to see one by one here. Now look at the here process. Integrate marketing communication is a systematic process. It is a combination of the all the promotion techniques like your advertising, salesmanship, sales promotion, publicity, sponsor, public relation, packaging, direct marketing, trade fair, and exhibition. Whatever the techniques you are going to use, it should be the proper and systematic manner. You have to plan, you have to think about the budget, you have to find out the customer, you have to see the frequency of your advertisement, salesmanship, the sales technique, etc. Then we can say it is a systematic process. Now look at the second feature. It is also continuous process. It is a continuous process to satisfy the need and wants of the customer by providing the right type of the product, right type of the price, right channel, and the right source of information. The primary role is to persuade, remind, inform, convince, and develop brand image and educating the audience to buy the products and services. Then we can, it is not a one-time activity. If we have a business, we have to do the sale. We like to contact with the customer, therefore we have to do the IMC on a regular basis. It is a indicate that the continuous process. Now go for the next one is third one is a creativity. Whatever the techniques we are going to use under the IMC, salesmanship, adult sales promotion, there should be the new idea, innovative concept. You should attract the attention of the audience. Even also you have to create such an advertisement in that manner ki every people should know your advertiser, your product through advertisement. One of the best example, Mentos advertisement, Zuzu advertisement. We have seen the special cartoon characters which has made by the Raju Roy, the Bangalore-based company, David and Ogley, etc. He has created the Zuzu characters for the IPL advertisement, Vodafone advertisement. Now we can go for the next one is that universal application. IMC is applicable for business as well as non-business organization. Now we have seen the SYB condition we have taken through the online notices, online admission form. Even also you have paid the online fees through the mobile app. Even also we have seen the lot of the advertisement in everywhere about the corona vaccination, awareness. The sponsor is the business sponsor is the government organization, that is called as government organization, colleges, educational institute, hospital. These are comes under the non-business organization. Then we can say it is applicable for all the business as well as the non-business organization. Even also we have taken the lecture on Zoom platform. Target market, one cannot sell to everything everyone. We have to identify our right type of the customer. We have to divide the larger market into smaller market. We have to identify the customer likes and dislikes, their buying habit, their budget, etc. As per their capacity we are going to sell the product. The laptop, those who are the MBA students, those who are having the professional degree students, they are going to purchase the laptop. It is a part of their academic, their curricular and co-curricular activity. And those who are the plain commerce students like our college, they are going to purchase a notebook. Now look at the here Tata Nano car, the second is a Tata Indica car, and the third one is a Tata Safari car. These are the car having the similarity about the owner is the one Tata company, but Tata is having the different car depend upon the income level. They have divide the market on the basis of the income criteria. Those who are the people having the low budget, lower income, they can prefer Tata Nano car. Those who are having the people having the middle income, they can prefer Tata Indica car. And those who are the rich people, they can prefer the Tata Safari car. These are the target market. Art, science, and profession. Every IMC, the elements which are involved in the IMC, it's a required certain kind of the arts to prepare the ads. There are certain kind of the communication skill, convincing skill for the salesmanship that is required for the arts. Science, we are going to deal with the customer. We are going to sell product to the customer. We are deal with the human being. Therefore, we should need knowledge about the how to deal with the customer, how to tackle with the human psychology. Therefore, it's a part of the social science. And nowadays, tough competition available in the market. There is a problem about to continue or to sustain the customer share. Therefore, there is a need for the professional ad agency who is going to help us. Now we are going to see about the seventh features, build image. Now we have seen the lot of the people, the brand personality we are going to use basically for the sports person. Then Bollywood actor actresses we are going to use under the advertising process. Advantages is that increase the name and reputation of the brand. For example, Pappu Pass ho gaya, Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate, Harpic, Akshay Kumar chocolate. Lot of the advertisement we have seen the Bollywood actress Hrithik Roshan, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. Even also we have seen a lot of the advertisement done by the Dhoni, then Virat Kohli. These are the famous personality. By side increase the image of the company and product also. Those who are the fan following, they are going to purchase the certain kind of the product which are endorsed by the celebrity, famous personalities. Now look at the here. Now next point is the create awareness. We are not only attract the attention of the people, but also we are provide the some information to create awareness about the product and service. On the packing of the product, we are going to provide all the detailed price, features, use, how can you decompose the packaging also, whether it's environmental friendly or not, what are the ingredient, what are the contents are used in the product. Then we can say what are the information we are going to provide through the advertising as well as on the envelope, on the packing of the advertisement. That is called also create awareness. Even also we are going to provide the information, today is the last date, within the 1 week the offer will be finished. Then this kind of the reminder we can do the through advertisement, which is also create awareness. Even we have seen the lot of the advertisement. You, whenever you are going to call any people, before receiving the call, the concerned people, you have to listen the corona awareness, corona vaccination advertisement. It's under that comes under the create awareness about the corona corona 19 diverse group. Advertising in the IMC is applicable to all the people which are directly indirectly related with the IMC. I have given the information about the wholesaler, retailer, supplier, and the advertiser. Always try to convert. audience into prospect and prospect into the regular customer. It is applicable to the variety of the people, the variety of the parties which are directly indirectly involved into the advertising. Even also that is called as a IMC, that is called as a diverse group. Now this is the one of the recap: the features, characteristics, nature, objective, essential, and the elements. These are the synonymous words of the features, and with the help of the P square, P twice, cat, A, B, C, D, we are going to memorize, we are going to complete our 9 features are here. Now look at the here one by one the process. That is a systematic process, continuous process, creativity, all pervasive, target market, art, science and profession, build image, create awareness, diverse group. Yes, student, thank you very much for your precious listening.